and equity. Here, when he takes any decision, he has to follow systematic manner for bringing optimum returns for its owners. So, the cost of capital is also considered. The company can use the funds in such a way that the returns are more than the cost of capital. Remember, any business to be successful needs a person or needs resources for doing their business in a proper way. To be successful, to have profits, they need to reduce the cost. They need to reduce the cost of the capital. So, successful business does not become successful overnight. They need to have people and they need to work in harmony with great hard work and efficiency, and they also need to have cost budgeting, which we also call as capital budgeting. So now let us understand about importance of corporate finance. The financial manager need to understand the production, that how much money will be utilized or used for production. If we see in today's time the production of masks, the production of hand sanitizers, the production of other things which can help us disinfect are more. Why? Because of the pandemic that is going on. So we can understand that certain big organizations and companies are also producing these things, sidelining their own business. Why? Because this is the need of the hour. Every business organization need to understand the need of the hour. They need to know the proper timing. See, when a business is done with proper timing, proper thinking, proper analysis, then we earn profit. So production part takes up lot of money for the company because you require heavy machineries, you require skilled craftsmen, you'll require space or land. So such fixed assets require a lot of capital. So finance is important in this case. Now you are ready with what you have to do. Suppose you have your business, you're planning to become a businessman in future. Then you will first understand, how am I going to do? What will I do? How am I going to use my finance? How I'm going to bring everything for my business to grow? In today's time, social media or digital marketing is so very important. Now, when we talk about marketing, it is not like door-to-door marketing now. Now you find your YouTube ads, you find your blogs, you find different ads going on between channels. Right? So digital marketing is now taking up a lot of scope for the future. World is coming to the screen in front of you, right? You can see any part of the world just by clicking some commands on your mobile or laptop. So digital marketing is very becoming important. So this is a part where some of you, if interested, can think about to choose as a career. Now let us understand about the finance manager. The finance manager helps the organization in decision making. Without his proper decisions, the funds cannot be utilized properly. It will be difficult for the organization to know that how he is going to work. Every business decision is taken keeping in mind the profit. Hence, the decision making by the finance manager should be strong enough. It cannot be maybe situation, either yes or no. Be firm, Be strong, understand, take your point and decide, because the financial manager cannot jump from one to the other. He need to be firm. He need to take his decision strongly and convince the board of directors for the things that he wants to say regarding company policies. Next, the financial manager also helps in raising capital for a project, such as he can approach certain financial banks, put the proposal in front of them regarding their company requirement, and he can tell about what are their plans, what is their business. The bank may then plan whether to give the loan to the company or no. So proper things are to be jotted out, proper documentation is to be done for the same, because capital is not easily raised. Nobody will give you money at your face, right? At face value. You need proper proofs of certain security, right? So we also need to understand that money is very, very important. Hence, for a company to need finance, it has to be presentable. It has to show some signs where it tells the lender that the business is going to be profitable, right? So there should be profit for whatever money that you are taking as a debt capital or as a equity capital. Now, next we will understand about research and development. The finance manager keeps a core interest in uplifting the company, right? So there is lot of money also spent on research and development. Now just see today's situation. Aren't we waiting for some vaccine? Aren't we waiting for some medicine which will keep us away from the dreaded disease that has spread all over the world? We are living a life of fear. That should not be the case. We need to increase our immunity. So, yoga, meditation is very, very important. If you do certain research, you will understand how this is very, very important. Now, on this, I will talk to you some other day. But today, let us understand about finance manager, that a company will invest loads of money in research, because by doing research, they come to know the market requirements, the need of the customers, and then they can accordingly develop their products. Now, you also know that, for example, if you brush your teeth with the old Colgate, will you be happy? No. See the example of toothpaste. We have Bright, we have Sparkling, we have Fresh Breath, we have Mint, we have so many things. We have sensitive tissues and so many things, right? So, example of Colgate company, the way they were before. Your parents may be using the old style of toothpaste, the white color one. Till date, even it has a higher market price or share, because till date the product is surviving. Even in spite of so many other brands, so many other toothpaste in the market, it still is selling. What is important is selling of the product, because when you have sales, you get your money, you have profit. So with proper marketing, with proper executing of the plans, with proper distribution of funds, with proper utilization of resources, which is all possible in research, and then you can have profits, and you can use those profits for further development or enhancement of a product. Correct? So here the company has to upgrade an old product to a new product so that the consumers are attracted. Remember, consumer is the king. What what the consumer sees, purchases. We have been always talking this, that when we see the television ad, we feel or we see some new product in the market. Since now there is lockdown, we are not going, but in the past, if any shopkeeper would show you some product and you have not seen it on TV, you feel that, oh, this product I have not seen. How do I believe about this product, about its uses or the durability, right? But what you see on television or on your mobile screen or laptop screen, you have complete faith on it. Oh, yes, I had seen this product and I will buy it. Yes, right? So that is why research is very important. What the consumer wants is very, very important. So when they do proper research, a proper data is collected, data analysis is done, and on the basis of that data, the products are developed. Now, the finance manager also ensures that the business runs smoothly. If there is teamwork, if there is cooperation, then people can work in harmony. Now remember, if there is no teamwork, employee can suffer, company can suffer. So teamwork is very, very important. Okay, so teamwork is very, very important. So why it is important? Because the business needs to run. Now, in these situations or in this pandemic situation, so many businesses have collapsed. The small traders, the day-to-day earners, right? Because of lockdown, they cannot conduct their business and hence they cannot survive. That is why we need to buy Indian products and promote our Indian business people. Understand, children, you are the future consumers for our country, right? Even at present, whatever you buy, you support some textile industry or some things, handicrafts, so that our Indian companies, the money goes to our country and not to foreign country. In this way, you will help some way or the other to develop our country. So be happy, be proud to buy Indian products. Now, the finance manager also needs to coordinate between various activities. For example, the production, the distribution, the finance, the day-to-day requirements are very, very important. If every department is efficient, then effective utilization of funds can take place. And hence, every department need to work in coordination. So coordination, teamwork is important. If that is not there, then the organization can suffer. We need to see that the organization need not suffer but flourishes. And that is possible by finance manager decisions. Now, when there are resources available, when there is proper research done, and when we have earned profit as a company, we can expand and diversify, right? So financial manager helps in promoting expansion and diversification of various activities. Like, for example, when there is profits, when we invest in we have proper investment decisions, the money in the corporation is utilized properly, we can buy modern machines, we can have better technologies. See, For example, I would give our online lectures. We are doing it on MS Teams and not on Zoom. You must have heard about Zoom. अरे सबको Zoom आता है, Zoom पे करो. But there is lot of data theft which we don't even realize when certain apps are used. Hence, on a much security level, our college has invested in a much better system of MS Teams. Okay, this is one example that I would give you where modern technologies can be helpful. Now, it is mandatory for a company to expand and grow. Why? Because if it doesn't grow, if it doesn't expand itself, or if it doesn't upgrade itself, it may be out of the competition. Nobody may buy the products. The company may land up into loss. So that should not be the case. The company need to upgrade by doing research and development. So for that purpose, sometimes the company also needs to manage the risk. Sometimes the company needs to take risk. Now there are certain risks like the lockdown, where the workers cannot come, or some workers have gone to their native states. There are no workers who will do the work in a company, right? So there will be so much issues the companies may be facing, or rather any organization may be facing at the moment. Hence, in order to avoid such, the company needs to manage its financial requirements in order to avoid strikes, or if there is any natural calamity, then again that would be a problem. So the company needs to use its financial resources properly. It needs to manage risk. It has to think about it, because any business there is risk factor. Product नहीं बिका तो, sales नहीं हुए तो क्या होगा? Right? Production करके हमने रख दिया, लेकिन sales नहीं हुआ. Then also it is a loss for the company. Hence, the risks are to be reduced. They need to accept if any there are certain risks, or they need to even avoid risk altogether. Now, for this purpose, when they have if you see the companies in previous times, they used to use the old system of bookkeeping, right? They would have big registers. They would manually have to sit and write all the transactions. Lot of human hour would get wasted, right? Manually writing all this. Hence, if you see today's time, we are now into digital world. We are replacing the old assets with the new technologies for our quick work, efficient work. How many of you know about online banking? Have you done any time? If not, please learn about it, because you can transfer funds, you can withdraw. No, not withdraw. For withdraw, you have to go out, and don't go out. It is lockdown time, right? Take care of yourself, right? So we need to understand here that the company also need to replace its old assets with newer technologies. Again, when we raise finance by equity shares or by preference shares, we also need, when we have profit, we need to share our profit, right? And if not shared, then it will be a problem for the company. Hence, payment of dividend and interest to the shareholder is very, very important, because shareholder becomes happy when he gets certain amount credited in his account, right? He becomes very happy. So the dividend is the amount that a shareholder gets. Now, when we talk about interest, if we have taken as a company certain loan, then we need to pay the interest, right? So interest rates, if they are increasing, that means that debt capital is increasing for the company. We need to understand that we give dividend and we make our shareholders happy so that we have continuous investors in our company so that the company gets profit, right? If we work hard, we are going to give dividend, the company will have a good name in the market. Now, when we talk about interest, it is when the company takes debt capital loan. Okay, debentures. So on debentures and all this, we are going to speak about in our future class. Again, when we have profit, then we also need to pay the tax. We cannot evade taxes or fees that are required, right? You must have heard about GST. We all pay, right? So tax need to be paid. If you have profit, you need to pay your tax. So income tax, the company needs to file its income tax returns annually. The government needs such income, right? When we pay tax, the money goes to the government. So we also have known that the company gets registered, right? With the registrar of companies. Last year we studied this. So to register the company also, the company needs to pay certain fees. So taxes are also very, very important. Any services that the company requires, the company need to pay fees for the same. Okay, now I will stop here for the day, but you have to subscribe my YouTube channel, because understand one thing, children, those who are not able to log in, have login issues or certain problems, then they can always watch the lectures on my YouTube channel. So for that, to watch them at a later period, you need to subscribe to my channel on YouTube. So this is the channel name and the channel logo. Also, I would take up question answers in 2 minutes. I would tell you that WhatsApp group would not be created, but instead a Telegram